Hello, my name is Mike. Welcome to the Backyard Machine Shop. Well, it's done. She still needs some fine tuning. Runs nice and smooth and quiet. I look back, this is my first machine restoration in I think 4 years. I really enjoyed it. I got several more around here I need to do, so look out for them. Got a little noise in the cover. I need to adjust that out. Other than that, it's running fine. Put a Jacobs 36 chuck on it. Alright, cover. So there she is. Let's put a vise on and I don't know, let me look around and see if I can find something to drill. Here we go. I'll fix and witness the first holes drilled by this girl. Let's see. Got here 3/8. I think it's 3/8. Oh. 17/64. So a little under 3/8. First hole drilled by the drill press. I've had this drill press for 5 years, and I've tried to, well, I've thought about selling it, parting it out, using it. Glad I kept it. This will be a nice drill press. Well, until next time, and remember, welcome your comments, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and see you later. Thank you for watching.